Congratulations on the purchase of your Tineco S12. Today, I'll be running through some tips on how to maintain your machine for optimal performance. After each use, you need to ensure you are emptying and cleaning the dustbin as well as the cyclonic separator. You can click the quick release button here, or you can take the whole dustbin off by using the latch behind it here. While the dustbin is open or off, remove the cyclonic separator and give it a good tap out to get rid of any debris. For the best air quality output, we recommend that you regularly clean both filters. The HEPA filter can be found behind the motor here and can be cleaned by tapping into a bin. The dustbin filter can be found inside the cyclonic separator. To clean this, use the self-cleaning tool provided. To avoid getting dust in the motor, make sure you keep the machine upright. It is important to maintain both power heads as well as the mini power brush. We're going to start with the carpet power head. To access the roller brush, pull back this latch here. With your other hand, gently press upwards and remove it from the unit. Carefully snip away any hairs that might be wrapped around the roller brush. This is also a good time to check the neck for any blockages to avoid loss of suction from your machine. Reinsert the roller brush and lock it back into place like this. This is the hard floor power head. Grab a 5-cent coin, place it in this groove and give it a quarter turn. All you have to do for the mini power brush is place your thumb in this indent, turn it clockwise and out it comes. If you experience any loss of suction from your machine, be sure to run through these checks again. The dustbin, the filters, the rod and the power heads. Remember, we recommend changing your filters every 6 to 12 months. For replacement filters, head into your local Godfreys or visit us online.